We now turn to the Deschutes County Courthouse, where high-profile hearings took place this afternoon. One involving disturbing allegations against a former coach, and another related to a recent arson in Northwest Bend. KTVZ's Claire Elmer covered both hearings, which just wrapped up about an hour ago. She joins us live from the courthouse in downtown Bend. Claire, a very busy day.
Yes, Lindsay, I'm here live at the Deschutes County Courthouse, and like you said, it certainly was a busy day here today. But the most talked about case was that of Sierra Stigl. Now, Stigl is the 22-year-old woman from Lapine, a former coach, who has been charged with a slew of very serious accusations related to sexual abuse of a minor. Now, today we learned another alleged victim has been identified and additional charges have been added. The now 39 counts include multiple counts of rape and sexual abuse, luring a minor, and online sexual corruption of a child. Originally, the alleged crimes occurred between May and July of this year and involved a boy under the age of 14. But at today's hearing, the state argued contact may have occurred with one or both alleged victims through November. Officials say Stigl coached at least one alleged victim after her brief tenure as a volleyball coach at Lapine Middle School. The other alleged victim was believed to be coached by Stigl while on a travel baseball team. Prosecutors read a letter in court today from a parent of an alleged victim coached by Stigl. In it, they asked Stigl's bail not be reduced. Her defense had asked for that bail reduction, saying Stigl's employer at the feed company would allow her to resume her job if she was released. Stigl's mother would allow her to live with her. Ultimately, the judge reduced bail to $100,000, saying Stigl must turn over her passport and be monitored if she does post bail. And her next hearing will be on December 15th. So, Lindsay, I know many people in the community are waiting to hear what's going to happen with this case.
Thank you, Claire. Yes. You were also at the hearing for another major court case.
Yes, also arraigned today was Rachel Kidwell, and she's a 33-year-old woman from Bend who faced a judge on arson charges. So authorities say Kidwell admitted to starting a fire that severely damaged a triplex in Northwest Bend. That was back on November 15th. Kidwell is going to have a fitness hearing to determine if she is mentally fit to proceed in trial, and that hearing will be on December 8th. But both cases have generated significant community interest due to the seriousness of the charges and also the local ties of the defendants. So we will be sure to keep you posted as these cases develop.
Thank you, Claire Elmer, live at the Deschutes County Courthouse. We'll have more details at 6.